Good afternoon, this is Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director with This Week in Richmond. We are here at Rockingham Dragway where the return of Civil Wars is already underway. The track went hot this morning at 9 a.m. and racing will continue throughout the day until tonight when there will be live music with Norris opening up for Erik. That will start around 8 p.m. and then tomorrow racing will be back on the track. Gates will open at 8 a.m. and our local Flossie Fletch will be singing National Anthem around 1 p.m. That evening, there will be more live music with Ultimate Aldean and a Bryan cover. Both will start around 8 p.m. with Aldean first and the Bryan cover afterwards. And there will be fireworks at 10 p.m. Racing will wrap up on Sunday, and in addition to the racing and the music and fireworks on Saturday, there will be a swap meet and a car show. You can see more information on the Rockingham Dragway Facebook page or website for the return of Civil Wars, and tickets will be available at the gate. You can purchase tickets for the full weekend or 1 day each. In addition to Civil Wars that will be here at Rockingham Dragway, there will be food trucks at Hamlet Visitor Center all day from 11 a.m. until 7 p.m. and from 3 to 6 p.m. They will have a fundraiser for Richmond County Crime Stoppers. Kick-off to summer will also be in the Hamlet Visitor Center parking lot from 3 until 6 p.m. Just across the street at Hail Mary's Tavern, Jonathan Robinson Music will be performing tonight. In Rockingham, Tyler Watts will have the live music at Hudson Brothers, and over at Double Vision, they will have karaoke. Also, Saturday night, there will be Bowtie Karaoke in Rockingham, in addition to the live music and the fireworks show here at the Dragway. And then on Sunday, racing will wrap up, and there will be a dance recital at Cole Auditorium. The Fierce Dance Company will have their 3rd annual recital. And next week, we have action across the street at Rockingham Speedway on Wednesday, June the 14th. The Hot Rod Power Tour will be coming into town. This will feature around 500 race cars, and they will park for the day at Rockingham Speedway for a free car show. There will be many vendors and food trucks also on site. And this event is free, so put it on your schedule to stop by Wednesday, June 14th, across the street at Rockingham Speedway. And this is also the same day for the golf tournament sponsored by Richmond County Chamber of Commerce that will be in Sherrill at Sherrill State Park. You can find out more information on both of those events on our Facebook page or on Richmond County Chamber of Commerce and Rockingham Speedway. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visitrichmondcounty.com. Follow us on Facebook, Visit Richmond County, on Instagram, Richmond Tourism, on Twitter, Visit Richmond County, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive notifications for these videos every week so you can keep up with what we have going on here in Richmond County. We hope to see you around town this weekend. If not, we will definitely see you next week.